Hello everyone, in this video I'll tell you how you can order from Apollo application. So first of all you need to download it from Play Store or App Store, and once it's done you just need to apply the referral code and all, and after that you just need to complete the basic mobile number verification. After that, this is the appointments page, this is the medicines page, right? And this is how you can order. Like, there are many exclusive deals going on exclusive deals on some shampoos and some sanitary napkins and all other things, so, and some huggies and all. These are the offers that are going on right now. So whichever medicine you want, you can just search for it. Let's say I'll just search for a random medicine out here. So I'll just search for it. So this is the medicine. I'll just go and I'll just add it in cart. Let's say as you all need to create orders in multiple of 300, so I'll just add three medicines, three strips of these. I'll just add it to cart. So once I add it to cart, so this is the part. After that, I just need to upload my prescription. I can just click a photo of my prescription. I can upload it from gallery, or I can upload it from my RX record, which is the earlier record that I am having. Or this is the thing that you can do. I have few already ordered addresses out here. I have just added random addresses here. So let's say I am just adding this random address here, and the medicine total is 305. So as you can see, like, there is a 10% discount on the medicines for the customers, or actually on all the products. So this is the thing. You just need to upload the prescription, and once you upload the prescription, you can, or let's say I'll just click on, I'll show the prescription store at store. You can upload the prescription from here. Let me upload a random prescription out here as well. I'll just do that, give me a second. So I have added one random prescription out here. After that, I'll just select the address in which I want to get it delivered. You can add an address like this. You just need to click on add new address, and after that you just need to enter your address, your pin code, your locality, and what type of address it is it home, is it office, or something else. After that you can save and use the address. I have just selected a random address, and after that I'll just proceed to pay the amount. So this is the final step after adding the medicines and all. So this is the payment methods that you can use. There is a debit card option, credit card, Paytm, UPI as in phone pay, UPI, Google Pay, Paytm, or net banking, or at last you can do cash on delivery as well. Like, you need to pay the cash and they'll just deliver the order at your doorstep. So these are the simple methods you can use to get orders. And I just wanted to make it clear, like, how you can actually get more and more order. Let's say if any person is having a order of 5,000 or something, you can just divide it in the multiple of 300. Or let's say if they're having an order of 6,000, then you can divide it in a multiple of 300, then it comes out to be 20 orders. So you just need to get 25 orders for your target. So that's the basic part how you can do it, because the order is amount is of 300, because above 300 there is no delivery charges. If you do below 300, there is a delivery charge of 50 rupees, that's extra. So we don't want customers to pay that amount as well, that delivery charge, right? So that's the basic part of how you can do the orders. You just need to upload the prescription, you just need to search for the medicines. All the medicines are available, as it is Apollo Pharmacy. Apollo is a trusted supplier of medicines. They are supplying it since past long, pan India. They have hospitals, they have pharmacies and all. So you can, they, like, customers can also easily trust it. So that's it for the video. If you have any doubts, you can reach us out. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel for further campaigns. Thanks a lot, guys.